Can you imagine earning money while you sleep, travel, or spend time with your family? It's not magic, it's the power of automation. Today I am going to reveal to you 15 automated businesses that can work for you, without you needing to be there. In this fast-paced world, having a business that requires your constant presence can be exhausting and limiting. But what if I told you that there are ways to escape this cycle, proven methods that have changed lives and can change yours too? If you're ready to transform your approach to work and start truly living the life you want, stay with me. Let's unlock the potential of businesses that work alone and change lives. Let's start with one of the most accessible and automatable business models: dropshipping. This is a fantastic way to get into e-commerce without having to carry physical inventory, allowing you to operate from anywhere in the world. In dropshipping, when a customer purchases a product from your online store, the order is sent directly to the supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. You never see or handle the product, which greatly simplifies logistics. What makes dropshipping especially attractive is its ability to automate. You can use platforms like Shopify along with apps like Oberlo to automate almost the entire process, from listing products to placing orders. Many entrepreneurs have found dropshipping a gateway to financial independence. For example, there are cases of stores that generate thousands of dollars in monthly sales, all managed from a laptop without the need for a warehouse. Success in dropshipping largely depends on choosing the right products and collaborating with trusted suppliers. Tools like AliExpress allow you to explore products and read supplier reviews to make informed decisions. Dropshipping is a great first step for anyone looking to launch an online business with low startup capital and minimal maintenance. With the right tools and strategies, you can set up a store that practically runs on its own, allowing you to focus on growing and scaling. The second business is the creation of online courses. In a world where online learning is booming, your knowledge and skills can become a continuous source of passive income. Online courses allow students to learn at their own pace, while course creators can benefit from the same content over and over again. This is possible thanks to platforms such as Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera, where you can host your courses and reach students from all over the world. Creating an online course starts with identifying an in-demand skill or knowledge. It can be something you're an expert in, such as programming, photography, or digital marketing. Then, you develop the content, which can include videos, quizzes, and downloadable resources. Many digital educators have transformed their passions into lucrative careers, reaching thousands of students and generating substantial income each month without needing to repeat the in-person course. Once your course is online, the key to success is a good marketing strategy. Use social media, blogs, and email marketing to promote your course. Offering a free lesson or limited-time discounts can attract more students quickly. The third business is to start a blog. A well-established blog can generate significant passive income through ads, affiliate programs, and sponsor content. But how can you get started? Creating a successful blog starts with selecting a passionate and profitable niche. This could be anything from cooking to technology to personal finance. The important thing is to choose a topic that not only interests you, but also appeals to a broad audience and is engaged. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to set up your blog. Platforms like WordPress allow you to design and launch your site with ease, offering a variety of themes and tools to help you customize your blog to your preferences. To monetize your blog, you can partner with advertising networks like Google AdSense, which place relevant ads on your site. You can also join affiliate programs that offer products or services related to your niche, earning a commission for every purchase your readers make. Through your links. To maintain your blog with little ongoing effort, use automation tools to schedule posts, manage comments, and track the performance of your site. This will allow you to maintain a constant flow of content without needing to be online all the time. With proper planning and automation, your blog can continue to attract readers and generate income even when you're not actively working on it. The fourth business is the creation and sale of digital products. Ebooks and software are especially profitable because you can create them once and sell them indefinitely without inventory or shipping costs. Let's see how you can take advantage of these digital assets. Ebooks and software programs offer a fantastic way to share your knowledge or technical skills with a global audience. Once created, They can be sold across multiple platforms without additional production or logistics costs. To get started, you can write an ebook on a topic you know well and publish it on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. If you have programming skills, you can develop an app or software and sell it on marketplaces like Google Play or the Apple App Store, or even on your own website. Marketing your digital products is key to their success. Use strategies like email marketing, social media, and search engine optimization to drive traffic to your product pages. Also consider offering a free sample or version test to generate interest. In addition, positive reviews and good customer service can significantly increase the credibility and sales of your products. Be sure to engage with customers and resolve any issues quickly to maintain a good online reputation. With an initial investment of time and effort in creation and marketing, you can enjoy a low-maintenance income stream in the long run. The fifth business is affiliate marketing. This model allows you to earn commissions by promoting products or services from other companies. It's a fantastic way to generate passive income while others handle inventory and customer service. In affiliate marketing, you partner with companies that want to promote their products. Through unique links that track referrals, you earn a commission every time someone purchases through your link. It's a popular strategy on blogs, social media channels, YouTube, and social media accounts. To start, choose products or services that are aligned with your niche and that you feel comfortable recommending. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction offer a wide range of products that you can promote. Once you have your affiliate links, the key is to generate targeted traffic to them. You can use SEO techniques to attract visitors to your blog, create engaging content on social media, or even use paid advertising to reach specific audiences. It is crucial to maintain transparency with your audience about affiliate promotions. Be sure to disclose that your links are affiliate links, which is not only good ethical practice, but is also required by law in many jurisdictions. The sixth business is stock photography. If you have a passion for photography, this can be an excellent path to generating passive income. The photos you take can be sold repeatedly on stock platforms, generating income without the need for constant supervision. Stock photography sites like Shutterstock, iStock, and Adobe Stock allow photographers to upload their images and earn money every time someone buys the rights to use them. It's a way to monetize your photography skill in a wide variety of markets, from advertising to web design. To be successful, you need to make sure your photos are high quality and well tagged with relevant keywords so buyers can find them easily. Additionally, understanding what types of images are most in demand can help you focus your photography efforts. Also consider current market trends and seasonal events, as they can influence demand for certain types of images. Maintaining a constant flow of new photos is also crucial to maintaining your relevance in the market. Also, don't limit yourself to a single platform. Uploading your images to multiple stock sites can significantly increase your sales opportunities and, therefore, your passive income. Each platform has its own set of users and demands, thus maximizing your reach. The seventh automated business is mobile app advertising. If you have software development skills or just a good idea for an app, you can create an app that generates passive income through integrated advertising. This model has proven to be extremely profitable for many developers. By integrating ads into your app, every time a user interacts with those ads, you generate revenue. Platforms like Google AdMob or Facebook Audience Network make it easy to incorporate ads into your app and optimize placement to maximize your profits. Creating an app doesn't have to be a complicated process. Tools like AppyPie or BuildFire allow users with no coding experience to develop functional mobile apps. The important thing is to identify a need in the market that your app can fill. Once your app is up and running, focusing on optimizing the user experience and keeping the app up to date is key to increasing engagement. The more attractive and useful your app is, the more users you will attract, which translates into more page views, ads, and therefore, higher income. In addition, using analytics tools to track the performance of your ads and understand user behavior within your app is essential. This allows you to make strategic adjustments that can increase your revenue significantly. With a good idea, proper implementation, and ongoing data-driven management, your app can become a consistent source of passive income. The eighth business that can work for you is an automated YouTube channel. By creating content that resonates with your audience and automating the publishing process, You can generate consistent income without being actively involved every day. YouTube offers various forms of monetization, including advertising through Google AdSense, brand sponsorships, and the sale of products or merchandising. By establishing a channel and growing your audience, these sources of income can become a significant passive stream. To automate your channel, you can use content planning and management tools like TubeBuddy or Hootsuite that allow you to schedule videos to be published in the future. Additionally, by creating batches of content at once and scheduling their publication, you can maintain a presence constant without the need to interact daily. Optimizing your videos for SEO on YouTube is crucial to ensuring they reach a wider audience. This includes using relevant keywords in the title, description, and tags, as well as creating attractive thumbnails that entice users to click. Focusing on evergreen content, which remains relevant and useful over time, can ensure that your videos continue to attract viewers and generate revenue long after they are initially published. In short, an automated YouTube channel is a great way to generate passive income while sharing your passion or knowledge with the world. Before continuing, if you find this information valuable, I encourage you to leave a like and subscribe so you can continue enjoying more content like this. Let's move forward. The ninth business on our list is the sale of art and merchandising. This model allows you to monetize your creativity by selling products like t-shirts, mugs, and digital art through platforms that handle everything from printing to delivery. Sites like Redbubble and Teespring allow artists and designers to upload their designs and place them on a variety of products. When a customer purchases an item, the platform takes care of manufacturing and shipping, and you earn a commission on each sale without needing to manage inventory or shipping. Success in this business depends on the originality and attractiveness of your designs. Think about current trends, upcoming events, or specific niches that can catch the attention of buyers. It is also important to maintain high quality in your designs to encourage good reviews and repeat purchases. To maximize your sales, use social media, blogs, and email marketing platforms to promote your products. Participating in online communities related to your niche can also help increase the visibility of your items. In addition, it is crucial to regularly analyze your sales and customer responses to understand what is working and what is not. This will allow you to adjust your designs or marketing strategies and continue to grow your business effectively. The 10th key is to invest in a franchise. Franchises offer the opportunity to operate under a proven business model and with the support of an established brand, which can minimize risks and efforts in daily management. A franchise allows you to use the brand, products, and operating methods of an already successful company. In exchange, you pay certain fees and, in some cases, a percentage of your income. But the best thing about franchises is that they include training and ongoing support, which makes them ideal if you don't want to start from scratch. When choosing a franchise, it is crucial to consider your location, target market, and personal interests. Research market trends and evaluate the popularity and financial performance of franchises in your area to ensure you are making a sound investment. To automate your franchise, you can implement employee and operations management systems that facilitate remote control of daily activity. Today's technology allows you to control inventory, sales, and staff performance from anywhere, allowing you to enjoy more freedom while your business continues to run efficiently. In addition, hiring a competent and reliable manager is key to ensuring that your franchise operates smoothly in your absence. Good staff management will ensure that brand standards are maintained and that your investment remains profitable. Business number 11 is automated consulting. Through technology, you can offer your consulting services in the format of online courses, webinars, or automated consultations using artificial intelligence. This allows your clients to access your expertise without you needing to be physically present. These tools can handle everything from reservations to initial inquiries, allowing you to focus on improving your services and expanding your reach. The 12th business is equipment leasing. This model involves purchasing equipment that you can then rent to companies or individuals. From photography equipment to vehicles like your own car, motorcycle, or your motorhome. Leasing is a great way to generate passive income while others use your resources. With the right technology, you can automate bookings, payments, and team tracking, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Business number 13 is operating vending machines. This is a classic passive income model. You can place machines in strategic locations, where they automatically sell products to consumers without you needing to be there. New technologies allow you to control your machines in real time and manage everything from stock replenishment to revenue collection remotely. The 14th business is creating a membership site. Whether offering exclusive content, courses, or access to a specialized community, membership sites generate recurring revenue through subscriptions. With tools like Patreon, MemberPress, or Teachable, you can automate member management and delivery of exclusive content. Finally, business number 15 is the automation of gardening services. With the advancement of technology in smart irrigation systems and robotic lawnmowers, you can offer gardening services that require very little human intervention. These systems allow customers to enjoy a well-kept garden while you monitor and adjust services from anywhere, maximizing your time and resources. These 15 automated businesses not only have the potential to change your life, as they allow you to enjoy greater freedom by not requiring your constant presence. Implementing systems that allow your business to operate autonomously is a key step towards financial and personal independence. Remember, success in these models requires upfront planning, smart investment, and occasionally adjustments to optimize processes. In the comments, I would love to know which of these businesses interested you the most, or if you already have experience in automating a business other than those mentioned here. Your feedback is very valuable and helps us all learn and grow together. Also, if you have questions or need more advice on how to get started, feel free to write below. Thanks for watching the video, and subscribe for free for more similar content. I'll see you next time.